Hey guys, I wanted to pop on here and do an unboxing because, surprise, I got my very first Tory Burch bag. Literally just got in the mail, that's why it's still in its packaging, and I wanted to share my initial impressions with you guys and maybe even do a try on. So yeah, let's get into it. So it comes in this duster bag, which I love. I think most luxurious handbags do come in this. And I think it's just nice because you can store your bag when you're not using it with the duster bag. Also, if you're like on the plane, for example, you could bring this along and put your bag in it so that your bag doesn't get dirty when you put it on the floor. So it's very handy. And the moment you've been waiting for, this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I have been eyeing it for so long. But it is a hefty investment. It is $600, so I don't consider that very cheap, but I was lucky to get it at a discount. I think right now there's a discount or a sale going on the Tory Burch website, and then I actually got it at Shopbop though. So Shopbop was having this sale with an extra 25% off, so I think ultimately I got it for like $300 or so when it usually retails for close to $600. So yeah, I am lucky I was able to get it at a nice discount, and I kind of use that as an excuse to actually go ahead and buy it. But I got in the new cream color. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get in this color because, truth be told, I feel like anything that's like cream colored, white colored, it gets dirty really quickly. But I just thought that it's a more classic color and it kind of goes with more outfits. So that's kind of like the thinking behind it. But just taking a look at it, this bag kind of gives a whole like luxurious look and feel that you see with the Chanel bag, and everyone compares it with the YSL Lulu bag, but obviously it's a fraction of the cost. So that's what really drew my attention to the bag, because it has that whole like luxe look and feel but at a fraction of the cost. But it's got like the Chevron detailing, the lambskin leather, the gold logo, and I love the gold hardware. I think it looks so fancy and obviously gorgeous. And this leather is pretty malleable, so it's kind of squishy, which I heard also leads to kind of wear and tear and like the bag losing its form. So let's hope that doesn't happen, but I'm definitely going to keep like a lot of the stuffing inside, just so that when I'm not using it, it could help retain its shape. That's just what I'm planning to do. It has this magnetic enclosure, and inside there looks like there's significant compartments. So there's like another pocket hidden in there, and then there's like 3 sections essentially. So usually I like bags with a zipper enclosure on top, so this one doesn't have that. But there are significant compartments secured with zippers, so anything that maybe you want to safeguard more, like your wallet and your ID cards, you could definitely make use of those compartments. So I haven't put anything in here yet, but just looking at it, it looks rather spacious, and there's so many compartments, so I don't think there will be a problem with like fitting in my phone, my wallet, and lip gloss, that sort of thing. I think there's sufficient space. But I think one thing that is really nice about this bag, and by the way, this is a Kira Chevron convertible bag. I feel like I neglected to mention that. One thing that's really cool about this bag is like you can essentially wear it in 2 ways. So that's why it's called convertible. So you can either wear it like short like this, or you can actually just pull it all the way out, I believe. So that is just like one long bag. You can probably wear it as a crossbody of some sort. But I think I'm going to wear it the other way, like short. I just think it looks better that way. But yeah, all in all, I really like this bag. I am happy I finally decided to splurge on it. And I also got it at a discount. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for this bag, definitely check out a lot of the websites and the retailers right now, especially ToryBurch.com. There's sales going on this style of bag and other bags, so I think it would be a good time to buy it. So I'll probably do a part 2 where I actually fill the bag up with some of my items just to see what fits in here, and then do a try on for you guys to see what it looks like with my outfits. But anyways, I'm loving this bag. I'm really happy I decided to purchase it, and stay tuned for part 2.